Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set maximum length limit for checkout field using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and we are going to set maximum length limit for checkout field using custom code. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see billing and then you see company name and then you see maximum length 10. Now go to checkout page. Now you see company name optional. Now right click on it and then you see inspect, so click on it. Now inspect element open and then you see input and then you see name and then you see ID, billing underscore company, back to code. Now you see company underscore name. Now we are going to replace it, back to inspect element. Now you see ID for company name. Now copy this, back to code. Now paste here. Now you see billing underscore company, maximum length 10. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. By using this code we are going to set maximum length limit for company name is 10. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see company name. Now enter some text. Now you see limit is 10. So you can set maximum length limit for any field. Now you see first name, right click on it and then you see inspect, so again click on it. Now you see name and ID for this input field. Now you see billing underscore first underscore name. Now back to code. Now copy this. Now paste. Go to inspect element again. Now you see ID, billing underscore first underscore name. Now copy. So this is our input. Now you see back to code. Now paste here and we are going to set maximum length limit 10 and then click on update. Now snippet updated done. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. We are in billing detail and then you see first name. Now add more text. Now you see maximum length limit 10, so we cannot add more text. So right click on any field and then click on inspect. So you can set maximum length limit by using custom code to any input field in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Now you see ID, billing underscore last underscore name, back to code. So copy this line and paste and then change ID and then you can set length limit, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.